You feel that? Feel that intensity? You want to know more, don't you? Like, what's with this guy? Boys, I'm here to tell you that certain actions that you do can spark that exact same curiosity in your crush, to the point that you're gonna drive her insane and you won't be able to get out of her head. Today, boys, I'm gonna show you 10 actions any dude can do that is gonna make you irresistible to your crush. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, do nothing. Just that. I know I said this video is about actions that you can take, but the best action you can take to be more handsome is to do nothing at all. You see, research suggests that women prefer men that stay reserved. Be an enigma. Stay relaxed. Someone mysterious that they're gonna be curious enough to know what's with this guy. And by the way, yo, I read your comments all the time, and I saw your comments about saying that I always say stuff is based on research and science, but that's because I only speak facts and not opinions, boys. This is why you should subscribe. I don't lie to you. I do my research and I make sure that what I tell you is factual. What I tell you works. That's why when you're part of the family, you can be rest assured, you're gonna get what you want out of life. You're gonna be more attractive. You're gonna get the girl of your dreams. And all you got to do is subscribe, bro. That's all. Number 2, have a career. This is the best action you can take. Matter of fact, I want to read this list off of you. Tinder released a list of the most swiped right careers, which means these are the careers that girls mostly liked. Listen to this. Number 1 was pilot. Number 2 was entrepreneur. 3, firefighter, doctor, TV, radio personality, teacher, engineer, model, paramedic, college student, lawyer, personal trainer, financial advisor, and police officer as the last position. Girls like guys that have a path. Girls like guys that know where they're going. Having a career is the easiest action you can take to be irresistible to your crush. Number 3, look older. And by this I mean dress smarter. Elevate the way you dress. I want you to carry yourself and walk with the confidence of somebody that's older and unbothered by what little people think. And by little, I don't mean like their value is little, but their age is little. Like they're little boys to you. You see, women are super attracted to older men specifically for one reason. They are financially independent, while little boys, they aren't. So, to get to that level, skip the gray hairs and the wrinkles and just start dressing smarter. Avoid big logos or things that are super captivating or very trendy, hype stuff, because that's gonna make you look juvenile. You wanna wear stuff that are basic, clean, that fit right, and show your maturity. Which rolls on to number 4, use provocative accessories. Accessories that draw in the eye. And no, I don't mean provocative like in a tramp perspective. I mean provocative as in captivating. So, use captivating accessories. For example, notice what I'm doing now. A very minimal necklace right here. This is from our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Guess what this does? It captivates her eye. It draws it in. This increased sexual attraction, and of course, you're gonna be running through her mind left and right all day long, intrigued into who is this mysterious, good-looking, mature guy that knows how to dress so well. Yo, you're gonna have every girl wondering who you are. This is why accessories are so important. You see, when it comes to better your style, sometimes you'll have to invest into a whole wardrobe, which is kind of pricey. But with accessories, you can invest in a bracelet, a necklace, stuff that's very minimal and simple, that's not gonna break the bank, and then you just elevated every entire outfit that you ever wear in your closet, because you can put your accessories with anything. And that's what I love about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black designs minimal pieces that works with any aesthetic in any outfit. And they have a wide range of rings, of bracelets, of necklaces that works with almost everybody's aesthetic. And here's the thing, boys. They actually produce accessories that are affordable. They're not out here putting crazy premiums on it. If you guys click the link down below, since I've been working with Rose Gold and Black for almost 3 years now, they've developed a landing page that has 30% off the entire site. That's a third of the price, literally gone, making it crazy affordable to pick up their new pieces. Right now, they just dropped their new talisman necklaces. These are really dope if you want something that's super simple and minimal. They also dropped their new Tuscany minimal beaded bracelet. This thing, again, see, it's captivating, but it's not loud. It's not ostentatious. It's not annoying, and anybody can pull this off, and it looks, yo, like that looks pretty damn sick. They just dropped this as well, and they're always constantly dropping new collections and new designs and new colorways. If you guys click the link down below, you can check out the landing page. All my favorite pieces are heavily discounted, and then on top of that, if you guys like their minimal bar necklace or their minimal bar bracelet collection, they're offering you an extra 15% off those collections, which is, well, that's a gift at that point. And if you've been wanting accessories, especially from rose gold and black, right now is the time to do so, because those discounts are insane. Number 5, talking a deep voice, you know, kind of like when you wake up out of bed, you know. Damn, that was I don't like doing that to you guys, but you know what I'm talking about. You can hit the girl with the, "Hey baby girl, are you lost?" line, and bro, that girl's gonna melt with that sleepy voice. You see, I get it. It's uncomfortable to do that to your boys, but this is why it works on girls. It all has to do with body size. See, women identify deeper voices with men that are larger. And women like larger men because they feel more protected. And that sleepy voice that you have when you just woke up, that deep, with all that breathiness in between, that's the voice that's gonna drive her insane, especially when you guys are on the phone or on FaceTime or whatever. Use this voice, forget about it. Number 6, apply a specific cologne. This right here, this is the secret sauce, the potion for the motion later at night. And that's a fragrance with musk, boys. According to the Social Issues Research Center, women tend to be more sensitive towards men who wear musk in their fragrances. This is because it's a primal scent that derives from animal glands that reminds people of closeness. Want to draw her closer? I want you to apply that secret sauce right behind the ear. So when you come in for a hug or she kisses you on the cheek, yeah, she's gonna stay glued. She ain't gonna wanna come off, bro. And finally, number 7, own a dog. It's just cute, bro. Like, who doesn't love puppies? And it just shows that you're a dude that is responsible. And that makes them think that you're a caregiver, that you're a nurturer, and guess what she's gonna wanna do? She's gonna wanna have your babies. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.